Part B of the 2019 question 5 U values. Using the U value of the wall obtained at 5A above and the following data, calculate the cost of heat lost annually through this wall. What we figured out in Part A was how much heat is getting lost through 1 metre squared of wall area. What Part B is asking us to figure out is how much heat is going to get lost through the entire external wall area, and then how much is it going to cost us to replace that heat by burning oil. We've been given some values. The external wall area is 135 metres squared. The average internal temperature is going to be 19 degrees inside the house. It's going to be an average of 5 degrees outside throughout the year. The heating period is going to be on for 9 hours a day, 36 weeks a year. The cost of 1 litre of oil is 94 cents, and the calorific value of oil is 37,350 kilojoules. That's how much energy you get out of 1 litre of oil when you burn it. 1000 watts is 1 kilojoule per second. You don't really need to worry about that. So moving over to the question, we've got one large formula that we're going to use to work out this total heating cost. But before we can start putting in values into the formula, we've a little bit of work to do. There's some straightforward parts. So the U value, we were told, and we worked it out in Part A, was 0.515. The area is 135 metres squared. The temperature difference, 19 degrees inside minus 5 degrees outside, is a temperature difference of 14 degrees. So the temperature difference between inside and outside is 14 degrees on average. The time the heating is on for, there's a little bit more work to do. The heating needs to be the heating period needs to be converted to seconds. We have 60 seconds by 60 minutes by 9 hours a day, which we were told in the question, by 7 days a week. It's going to be on every day, and it's going to be on by 36 weeks a year. So 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 9 hours a day, 7 days a week, 36 weeks a year. We multiply that out and it comes in at 8,164,800 seconds. The cost of a litre of oil was 94 cents, but we want to convert that to euro, which is 0.94 euro. So 94 cents divided by 100. Calorific value was given to us 37350 kilojoules. Now we can start to work out our formula. At this stage we just start to sub in our values. So the U value is 0.515. The area 135 metres squared. Temperature difference of 14. Time is our 8,164,800. The cost 0.94, and we're going to divide all of that by 1,000. After that we'll divide it by the calorific value. So I'll do the top line first and then we'll divide it by the calorific value. I've subbed in each of the values across the top line, and when we multiply each one and then finally divide by 1,000, we get 7,470,375.59. Divide that by the calorific value, and we were given the calorific value. Here was our calorific value from the question, 37350. So divide our fraction out, and our result we get the heating cost is 200.01, and that measurement is in euro. So the cost to replace the heat lost through the walls for the year is 200 euros and 1 cent. That is our final answer.